Hello viewers, in this video we're going to solve a logarithmic equation. The question is log 4 times 3 raised to the power x minus 6 to the base 2 minus log 9 raised to the power x minus 6 to the base 2 is equal to 1. In order to solve this question, to the left hand side we are going to obey the subtraction rule of logarithm. Then the right hand side where we have 1, I am going to change that to log 2 to base 2. So now looking at the left hand side, we are obeying the subtraction rule because of this subtraction here. So applying the subtraction rule of logarithm, log m to base a minus log n to base a is equal to log m divided by n to base a. So subtraction is becoming division. Then for the right hand side, our 1 is going to be changed to log 2 to base 2 in order to cancel out the log 2. 1 is equal to log 2 to base 2 because 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 1 will give 2. So now going on to the left hand side, we are going to have log 4 times 3 raised to the power x minus 6 divided by 9 raised to the power x minus 6 all to base 2 equal to, now this one at the right hand side we are having log 2 to base 2, okay, so that the log 2 cancels out on either side of the equation. Then bringing down what is left, we will have 4 times 3 raised to the power x minus 6 divided by, now this 9 raised to the power x will be changed to 3 raised to the power x all squared, so that we're going to have a like term of 3 raised to the power x. Then minus 6 equals to 2 over 1 by that side. Now as you can see from here, 3 raised to the power x is now common. So we're going to say let 3 raised to the power x equals y. So anywhere we see 3 raised to the power x, we're going to substitute it in for y. So we're going to have 4 times y minus 6 over y squared minus 6 equals to 2 over 1. The next thing we have to do here is to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we're going to have 2y squared minus 6 equals to 4y minus 6. Sorry, this is meant to be 12. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So we're going to have 12 by this side. So collecting like terms, we're going to bring down 2y squared minus 4y minus 12 plus 6 equals 0. So we're having 2y squared minus 4y minus 12 plus 6 is minus 6 equals 0. This whole expression can be divided through by 2. So dividing through by 2, we're going to have 2 into y squared. 2 in 4 is that is 2y here minus 3 equals to 0. This other side with 2 equals 0 does not make sense, so we are going to ignore that in our solution. So we're going to use the y squared minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. So now solving the side with y squared minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0, that is a quadratic expression we will need to factorize. Our factors here will be 1 and 3. Our factors will be 1 and 3. How do we get this minus 2y? We have to put a plus here. So that plus y minus 3y will give minus 2y. Then factorizing this, we're going to have y into y plus 1 minus 3 into y plus 1 also equals to 0. So from here y plus 1 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. Then if y plus 1 is equal to 0, y will be equal to minus 1. On this other side, if y minus 3 is equal to 0, then y will be equal to plus 3. Now do recall that we are to solve for x. Do recall that we are to solve for x and not solve for y. So we are coming back to this other place. We are coming back to this other place where we have 3 raised by x equals y. So substituting in 3 raised to power x equals y. Y is minus 1 here. This side is not solvable because of the negative value. Because of the negative value of minus 1. So we're going to ignore this side in our solution. Then from this other side, 3 raised by x is equal to y. Y is 3. We're going to raise this to the power of 1 so that the 3 cancels out. And the value of x is equal to 1. So x equals to 1 is the solution to this question. If you go ahead to substitute in the 1 into this whole equation, it would give you the solution to the question, which is 1. Thank you for watching.